Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So in this platform, we react to all videos and we give you all the latest updates. In fact, we draw the world closer to your doorstep. So please watch this video and I will be watching it with you. Don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section and I'll be right back.
Good morning. I hear say they want to increase your minimum wage to like 50,000, right? Nigerians. That's what I was told. That the minimum wage is going to be increased to how much? That's like $50. How much is $50 in Nigeria? $50 is how much in Nigeria? Your minimum wage is not even up to $50. At the moment, minimum wage is 36,000. I mean at 35. How much is 35,000 in Israel? How much is 35,000 in Israel? I wish you guys what you wish yourself. Many of you as Nigerians, you came to social media to gaslight all of us that are actually preaching. We are supposed to be the shoulder that you should lean on. We should all lean on ourselves to speak the truth. You all live in a country where you cannot protest. I wish you all the best. I wish you guys all the best. I'm just here to... I don't know why I'm just even doing this video. I don't know why. So I was just bored of sitting. I was bored of sitting out there. I said, oh, let me just come across the bridge. Anyway, let me keep going. I'll go to the other side. I'll cross to the other side, then I'll go back to you. You guys all live in a country where your minimum wage cannot even buy you a bag of rice. Not even a bag of rice. They want to increase your minimum wage. Not every state go pay that minimum wage. So una know. Not every state go agree. They go owe una money. Yato ma jenny Nigeria, una never see anything. No. The sufferness where they come from Nigeria, una never see them. I dey tell una, we need one voice to pass the message. We need one voice to pass the message. These people will be saying that them be una politicians. Do you know how much their salary is worth every month? 15 million, 25 million, 30 million. But una government worker una bill, una minimum wage for 35. Teachers, especially in a teacher, they suffer pass. So I just crossed to the other side here. I don't go enter this side. I don't know what they do here. Okay, this is a university, Badland University. Oh, let's see that. Wow, I never knew. I never came across this place before. Can you see that? Badland University. Okay. Oh. Wow. So I was just coming from the other side. I was sitting out there. I was just tired. I said, let me just come across and make a video. You know what I mean? Oh God, there's nothing wrong. If they increase minimum wage to 200,000, I say there's minimum wage and there is living wage. How can a family of 4 or 5 manage? Okay, let's assume they are paying 70,000. You got to pay for electricity. You got to pay, you know they pay for water for Nigeria now, electricity. You go transport. You know say as I talk now, some people their transportation every month now like 20,000, 30,000. And their salary now 50,000. So you know, how do you survive? Money when no reach to chop for restaurants abroad. $50 minimum wage. Okay? Your living wage is more than minimum wage. You people should protest. Make una get one voice, I beg. People they die. Why did they kill una? Now they kill una self. You can gaslight me and say everything you want on social media. You fit abuse anybody when una don't, just anybody you see on social media trying to educate you, try to let you understand that the life you're living is gonna be short. before your time. Your minimum wage is 40,000. How do you survive with 40,000? That's why there is corruption. Corruption can never stop. It won't stop. I hope you are enjoying the atmosphere, just like me. Just sit here, think about. As soon as they look, so now some me I just they look. When I don't look this side, finish, I go turn this side. Oh, it's like okay. Then I turn to the other side and just look. The lifespan in Nigeria is 40-something years. Now people they die. Lifespan. What are we gonna do? You live in a country where they know they fit complain. If you complain, they go shoot. If you complain, they go send soldier. If you complain, they go send army. You can't complain. Don't complain. Don't talk. Don't talk. All of you, they live for concentration camp. Do you know what is concentration camp? Go and Google what is a concentration camp. Should I go this way or this way? I don't know if I should go this way. Let me go this way. Because I was coming from this way. So I go this side. Make una go Google wetin be concentration camp. Concentration camp now where they put Jewish people during World War II in Germany. As they put them inside that concentration camp, they command them one by one, come they find them. If trailer no fall, kill people inside motor for Nigeria, soldier or police go find you. If soldier and police not find you, hungry go find you. If you sick, you go hospital. If nurse not give you wrong injection, if you no get money to pay, you go still fine. We live in that country that we just believe that everything gonna be okay. Don't worry, everything will be okay. No, we still have hope. Ìyà tó máa jẹ àwọn Nàìjíríà, ìyà tó máa jẹ ẹ̀yin Nàìjíríà. Ọlọ́run mi kì í ṣépè. Ọ̀rọ̀ eléyìí ò ń ṣọ̀rọ̀ àdúrà. Ihe na-ekwu na ọbụrụ ihe ekpere. Ihe na-eme unu na Nàìjíríà ọbụrụ ihe ekpere. Ọbụrụ ihe ekpere cha. All action. Asị gị na ihe ga-adị mma. Mba. Ya bụ na Buhari chicha unu. Onye ọzọ bata na obodo ga-adị mma. Afụ na ndị mmadụ na Nàìjíríà. Ọ ka na-abịakwa abịa. Ọ ka na-abịa. Me, I thank God for those who are really fighting for freedom, for real. Because the only way out is freedom. But my pain is when I see a lot of people who come on social media and begin to talk, begin to gaslight, begin to propaganda against people who are actually the people you're supposed to lean your shoulder on. Many of you don't know. Where do you complain? Where are you going to complain? Who are you going to complain when you have a problem? Complain to the police. You go to the police station, the police will ask you for money. Have you not lied? The police cannot do anything for free. They will ask you for money before they do anything. I've been a soldier and I won't go complain. Now only those where they on top, where we say for military, now those where they on top, they enjoy you. Babu, they walk. Oga, they chop. Those where they police, now they are only Oga where they for top. Now then they enjoy you. Have been a lot talk. All those boy where they send for streets. So yeah, go and do block road. You must bring 30,000. Today you must bring 1 million. Today you must bring. You see, make una no blame those baby police where they dey for road. Now their Oga they tell them make they go bring money. It's a must. They give them target. And waiting they vex me be say they no go promote those people. They go there, they serve, they no go promote them. If you not be Oga favorite, they no go promote you. The same police, if he's sick, they go abandon him. I've been allowed to talk. I mean, make I follow this side. You get dog. These people open their door, they're very careful, but you get those dog where they are, they fear. And they fear those big dog, you know. Make I just follow here. But they change the dog, sha. One giant dogs. Anyway, you see, make I tell you now the truth. Everybody's a victim in that country, except those that are at the top. Now only those were there for top. Now then they enjoy the country. You know, I'm not gonna see my face today. My face not go there for this camera today. I just want to enjoy the atmosphere. That's where I was coming from. Now there, that's small picking they come from now. And I'm not gonna see my face today, and I go so end the video because I don't want to show my face. Make it not be like say we no update our Facebook. Now I make how they do this video self. Oh, I need to drink. I need to drink some water. And I'm not gonna see my face, so I won't drink water. So I wish all of you what you wish yourself. Those who are supposed to strike in Nigeria, they know they strike. They go pride. Nigeria don't turn to banana republic, I swear. It just they pay me every day. They pay me every day when you just they see. Oh, Tinubu was in New York. Oh. He was in United Nations. I beg, I don't want to talk. I want to end the video. When I go the day happy as soon as I see Tinubu, the United Nations, they talk. See people where they talk about democracy. Eh? Oh God, I don't know why you create me. Join these kind of people. I don't know. I'm sorry. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If I say God create me, make I be tree like this. Therefore carry me do tissue paper or carry me do table. I go no say na table that they take me do. Abi una no know. Even if na chair like this they take me do, where be say na chair, I go just kukuma dey here. Yeah? People go come they sit down on top of me. Ah, it's kukuma better. What is the essence of life when some people are enjoying while other people are suffering? What is the essence of life? Because those where they suffer, no go allow the person who get the money self to enjoy. Those your senators and people in the House of Assembly, governors, why they don't feel work out without police? If you're actually treating everybody to be equal, you don't need a police. See, politician where they here. Wait, I will carry you in a rich house. I will carry you in a rich politician for this place. In the shoji. I will carry you in a rich politician here. Wait, just wait. I want to carry you in a good politician house. You see this man where they see here, so see I'm a politician. See I'm a politician. They are campaigning now. See, I go show you in house. If you never come out, I go show you the car where you get. Only 2 cars. Now him be the whole. Now he the whole of this city where I did. I don't know what he be on this city. Now very big guy, big man for this city. Now him be the whole. When they talk about the whole of guy for this city, I don't know. You know, so I know they read this. I know they read. I don't know which position it be. Because I know the 2 here language, I know if you read. But now, this is the time they want to, I think this is, they are campaigning now for something I don't know. You know, go see politician here, motor, somebody they drive a motor, ask. Even in America, everybody they drive himself. Go see police, they follow. If they do better, why they carry police, they follow your body. If you not treat everybody equal, if everybody they chop belle full, all of us don't feel right private expensive cars. See, I'm not the man be this their campaign. You see, I'm now be that for the way they for me do. You see, now in cabinet be that. I want to show now in house. So soldiers no day in house, police no day in house. So they show G. See, now poster still be this. I don't know what in they write there. I just know say that they campaign. The poster is everywhere in the town. Now politicians, okay. See that motor, you don't carry the small motor come out. Now 2 motor now you get. See 1, yeah. Now they drive himself, now they drive children go school. Now they drive. That's the way make coffee come give me one day. He make coffee come give me. See now Ford when they use with this. You know get past 2 motor. The other one now one small white car. Now here they park am. When I see now here they park that white car. Small one like this for like woman car. This one now in main car with this. No driver. No security. Have you another see now it has be this one. Now it has be this one. He go come here, come they do exercise. Every time they come here, do exercise. No police, nobody they guide them. My house be this. Because anybody where they serve people as a politicians, you need an open, I mean, you have access. People must have access to you. People have access to this man. You see, here as a politician, people must have access to you. That is the number one priority. If you're a senator, people must have access. Anytime they want to complain, they must have access to you. I'm going to give you an example. Where I'm working now, our overall boss, they no born and where make anybody call them for the community, make you no pick. I swear to God Almighty, if you no go try them. My own boss now they talk say, this small boy where they go in front of me now, come call him. Say problem this so place so. That concerns his job. Because there's a website where everybody that served them, you can easily connect with them. I repeat, I said in Israel, as a politicians that serve the people, there's always availability of websites, number where you are going to get through to people like this. Because that's the reason why you want to serve them. You must be available. Whatever that concerns your job, they are going to call you. Everything will concern this community, where not be only the community, maybe I go state, I know, you know, say Israel not too big, but the whole of this Ramat Gan. Now this man be Oga. I don't know which position where he be. Now him be this. Now in house be that too. Police no dey there. Now they drive himself. The kind of motor where he gets self, you know, the motor where he gets, I don't know the name, but the motor that na small motor like this one. Now two motor he gets, finish and clear. If now a politician now so they go get motor food, you know go feel leave this kind of place. I mean, I know say this place now where common man they live. When I know say where a common man live here. When a politician become billionaire, they stay away from all of you. You don't have access. You don't even know who is the senator that is representing you. You don't even know. You don't have access to your governor. You can't have access. Never you. You can't. There is no place for you to complain. Especially our governors in Southeast. All they know is send the soldiers to go and find their future of tomorrow. People that are just clamoring for freedom. You are sending the soldiers to go and kill the future of tomorrow. Now why you get us? I don't know how our people they think. Oh. I don't know how they think. I don't know what they're thinking. When you send somebody else to go and deal with your child, that person is not just going to deal with your child. He's going to break your child's leg. If you don't break your child leg, you go break in hand. If you don't break your child hand, you go kill him. That's exactly what the Fulani soldiers are doing in Southeast. They abandon all the Boko Haram, all the kidnappers. Southeast is the real problem of Nigeria because they are clamoring for freedom. I say I no go talk anytime where I just want to know how where I no go talk politics. You know, it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird, you know. Africa, we are sleeping. We are sleeping. I wish you a good luck. Oh. Those of you will be one Nigerians. I wish you guys good luck. But one day, I know nobody will live this life alive. Your governor will not live this life alive. Your senators will not live this life alive. I don't know what they are thinking. Sit down, destroy the whole country and start afresh. You can go be Godfather. All the youths were there for each state. Go find people there where we say they get brain. Let them start those country afresh. Who are you running? Anyway, thank you very much, guys. I have to go. Good night. Bye-bye. You see, essence of smartphone. Make I come to tell you who he be. I don't care who we be. I read your message there. I don't care. I don't have to tell you. He's a politician. I don't care who we be. What I won't care. Why do I care? I care about my job and my salary. You where they talk with me now, your country, you know who them be? You know her salary, the person, do you know the senator that is representing you? How much is his salary? When last did you contact with him? Make I go the smartphone, you know what? So I will tell you, I don't care, my brother, I don't care about what he serve. You won't know who he be. You don't know who Buhari will die. Buhari will die for Saudi Arabia. They carry another person can't represent you now. Be like saying that the man motor the console. Now that man the console. If I say I didn't near there now, I don't know if it's him. Now him. Be like say don't slow down. Now him be that he want to park. Yeah, he want to park. Yeah, I go meet him. I go. When I go see him now. Now in the park so now. See the smoker. Now in the drive by himself. Oh. Maybe you go drop children for school. You don't park. I think say when I see him far away, you don't park now. Even if I know meet him. Even if I know meet him. But I go show now the small car when they use. Now that small car they use all the time. This one, maybe if you want to go meet tonight, the carrier with no driver. Now in the inside motor. Now they try to show now. Not be say any other thing. I just want to show now. Now him I want to show now. The see say the motorway they use now. So see him. Now politician be this. Now bye bye. So I want to cut off now. So I'm cutting off the telephone now. Bye bye everybody. Everybody bye bye. If you want to know who he is, I don't show now. Go Google him. Go type those things where they screenshots. You gonna know who he be. I don't care who he is. They are doing their own thing. I care about that motherland where all of them I don't care about. Where everybody's not living equal. I don't have to care about whatever. I don't care. They are doing their own things. Screenshot and go and check what's in be. Bye bye everybody. I'll see you guys next week. Yeah, you heard me. All right. I said next week. I'm gonna be here next week. Oh, there's holiday on Monday. Yeah, there's holiday on Monday. There's holiday on Monday. There's gonna be a lot of holiday these days. But anyway, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.